Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Emily. Today we are going to be reviewing Parakeet Slime Shop, so if you want to see that, stay tuned. Also, I wanted to mention I will be getting better at describing all the slimes. I know I haven't been, so thanks for hanging on there. I also got a request from an awesome subscriber suggesting videos on Kawaii Slime Company's subscription box versus Parakeet's subscription box. Now, I will definitely be doing that, so stay tuned to my channel to see those videos. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for exclusive content. Also, don't forget to leave a comment and mash that like button. Now, if you're excited and you want to see this video, let's get in. So I ended up purchasing 4 slimes. I placed my order Sunday night and my package arrived Tuesday morning. I cannot say enough how impressed I am with that shipping timeline. You have to remember I live in Canada and the package has to clear customs, let alone with her packaging my order that soon. It came with 2 Starburst candies, a big packet of borax, care card, a cute wristband, and a free 2-ounce slime. This package costed $77.57 US, including shipping. She had a 15% off coupon code, so I used that. Before I get started, I want to mention how I felt before purchasing from her. Before I purchased from her, I kind of wrote this package off before I got it. I've heard a lot of negative feedback from YouTube and Instagram, and I was very upset with the pricing for 4 slimes. So now let's see if the critics are right. Let's start off with M&M Cookie Ice Cream. She has very nice containers and labels. This slime costed $12.99 for 6 ounces. This is scented like chocolate chip cookies and is supposed to be a cloud cream. It has rainbow sprinkles on the bottom. And this also came with a cute M&M charm with chocolate chip cookie chunks. When I first touched it, the slime had a bit of a wet feeling. As I played with it and stretched the slime, the wet feeling went away. This slime is super soft and stretchy. I also felt like this was a hybrid between a cloud cream and a cloud slime. This was actually better for me because I actually like cloud slimes way more than cloud creams. This slime drizzles beautifully and has an amazing scent. This slime was so good, I wish it had a stronger scent. It did leave a bit of residue on my table, but that is totally expected due to the type of slime. It came perfectly activated, and I did not need to add any activator to this slime. I definitely love squishing this slime because it made amazing sizzles, and I definitely recommend this if you like cloud slime / cloud cream slimes. Up next is unicorn balls. This slime costed $12.12 for 6 ounces. This is a thick and glossy texture with rainbow foam beads and big foam balls. The base of the slime is a pastel purple color and is very thick. This slime definitely feels like it has glue all to me. This is my opinion. When I first opened this, I ended up smelling glue over the scent, but when I played with it, the scent just came out of nowhere. It smelled so good. It had a nice and sweet cotton candy scent. This slime is so stretchy for a thick slime. I know it looks like it's ripping a bit, but that's because of me. My hands were super dry and everything wanted to stick to them. So I put some activator on my hands. I ended up purchasing this slime because of the big foam balls. I have a slime in my shop that also has these big foam balls. I wanted to see the texture from somebody else. Personally, I don't like them. It is too hard to play with, so I ended up taking them out. It came with 4 balls total. This slime is so clicky and makes amazing bubble pops. This slime inflates a lot and is so satisfying to play with. Also, I forgot to mention, all of these slimes are filled all the way to the top. Chocolate vanilla swirl with cookie crunch scoop. This is a DIY clay slime. This came with a deli container for the clay piece. The slime costed $15.15 for 6 ounces plus the clay piece. I thought the base was a thick and glossy texture. This slime came beautifully swirled and didn't mix during shipping. Once I added the clay piece, I was shocked by the texture. I really wasn't expecting what it was. The vanilla part was a thick and glossy, but the chocolate swirl was a snow fizz. It definitely shocked me. Adding the clay made this slime a little tough, but once you kept kneading and playing with it, it softened up quite a bit. The scent of the slime kind of reminded me of a brownie batter blizzard. This slime inflated so much, and it was so sizzly, but yet so fluffy. This slime is very hard to put down, and I seem to keep coming back to it. I definitely recommend this slime. It was so fun to assemble. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited for this part. Cereal milk is $12.12 for 6 ounces. This is a thick and glossy texture. Cereal Milk is one of her best sellers, and I definitely see why. Once I opened this, it was just a gloss, and gloss. I was hit with the sweet aroma of this slime. I was thinking it's impossible to smell like the bottom of a cereal bowl, but boy, was I wrong. This slime destroyed my heart, let alone was it thick and glossy. It inflated so much. It was thick, but fluffy, but sizzly. I'm starting to think it's magic. This slime is so clicky, and boy, does it give incredible bubble pops. I literally can't put this slime down. I even want to bring this to work. Was I so wrong about my impression before I bought from her? I was upset about the pricing before I received these slimes, but now I would do it over and over again. I'm literally thinking about buying the 12-month subscription box. I literally want to buy all her slimes and even questioning my slimes after this purchase. Okay, so this slime came with the cute little wristband. I decided to put it on because it's so adorable. I think the slime was a cloud slime. It was beautiful pastel pink color, and to me, it smelled like floral kind of pink lemonade. I am probably so wrong on the scent, but, don't judge me. And it was a beautiful free slime. I definitely love this. Okay, so overall, I thought Parakeet was amazing. I think everyone who has said negative comments is totally wrong. I've had a great experience, and I will be purchasing from her again and again. That's my feedback on it. I definitely think you should check her out because she is wonderful. Also, as always, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing exclusive content that you will only see from me. Also, comment on my videos and hit that like button. See you next time!